EA families, I never get to finish the vlog yesterday, but I just want to finish it up in the morning, family. And guys, I'll have to make a video in the morning actually to show you guys what I have to do. I have to wake up before 8 to make Amish morning food, family. But I just want to show you guys, this is like the cucumber juice that Miss Jamtros made yesterday. And I just want to show you what she did. And I can just end this vlog for you while I continue what I'm doing. I'm going to make a fruit smoothie. And I'm going to show you how I do that. This is Miss Jam Tour rice from yesterday, family, and this rice is actually come from Kenya. This is the rice, Pearl Pishori, Kenya Pishori rice, grain. I just want to show you guys that Africa, we have our own stuff, we have our own food, own everything. All of these things are products from Kenya, family. Amaranth flour, everything, family, everything is from Kenya. Not no China rice or rice from Thailand. We have our own rice here in Kenya, family. So I just want to show you that. And what I'm making here, family, is some Jamaican banana porridge. And this has coconut milk with the green banana blend up, and we use it to make porridge, family. This is what I'm doing right now. And after I made Amish food, I made this porridge. This is like a family porridge. Everybody will drink this porridge. And yeah, family. So this is how I do it in the morning. I'll make a full morning vlog, but I just want to finish up that vlog for you. Let me finish up this by making this smoothie for you guys, family. So this is what I do every morning. I'll make a fruit smoothie. I have the baobab fruit powder. You will get it from Vegan Choice Foods, family. Rich in so much minerals. Just research it on Google, baobab fruit powder, and you'll see everything. So let's continue. Let me make this smoothie for you while I watch this porridge boil. Very tasty. You gotta try this. Caribbean people know this. This is how we used to do it back in Jamaica growing up. can see, this is the smoothie family. This is Miss Jam Tour's bowl. Let me sample it. Wow, so nice. Yeah, families, this is the end of this video. Like, share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts of this vlog. Let me know in the comment box, family. We are in Africa. I want you guys to join us, support us, share the video, like the video, comment, and subscribe. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, from the Jam Tours family. One love. God bless. I'm out.